வரல. சரிங்கண்ணா, கேட்குறேண்ணா.
எங்கே
today we are very happy to have you all here for Shubham Finance Margazhi Mahotsavam. It's a mix of Bharatanatyam and Harikatha and music also. So since 2022 we have been honoring the Gurus with Shubham Nitya Pravina and the students with Shubham Nitya Gya, and the annual award being Shubham Nitya Ratna. So we have been, God has been so kind with us in honoring these musicians last year, previous year and 24 also. Today is the first day of Margazhi Festival. First program will be performed by students of Guru Srimati Rekha Ramachandran. She is a renowned dance guru in Chennai, and she has been very supportive to Shubham Finance. So we are happy to welcome Srimati Rekha and her students, and we are also very honored to have here as our chief guest Sri R. Tyagarajan, renowned flautist, is a world-renowned musician and none other than son of flute maestro Dr. N. Ramani Avargal. So he needs no introduction, a versatile musician, and the very fact that when we requested him to be chief guest, he readily accepted. That shows the mutual goodwill he has towards fellow musicians and fellow artists. So that is the need of the hour, and we are also happy to have here as our guest Srimati Swapna Sridharan. She is from the USA. She is a disciple of Madurai R. Muralidharan. She is a very popular guru in the Pennsylvania area. She has been training a lot of students. So we are indeed happy to have her here also. So today first will be performance by students of Srimati Rekha Ramachandran. We again welcome you from Shubham Finance. Thank you.
Shri Guru Namaha. A warm welcome to one and all who are present here to witness this Shubham Finance Festival. I would like to thank Shubham Finance for giving us this opportunity to perform this evening. I would like to welcome one of my students, Anvita Shrikonda. She's from Australia. I think I wanted to tell this. She made it all the way to come here, and this is our first dinner in Chennai. So she's planning to start her career. She had an engagement last year, so she wanted to perform. So I wanted all your blessings for the brother. All the best, Amrita. And I have Aishwarya, Divya, Aishwarya Ravi, Divya Padmanabhan. There are two of them that will be joining now. So the first performance will be by Amrita Shikam on the praise of Lord Ganesha.
गणपति पालय गणपति 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 पालय गणपति 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 पालय गणपति गणपति गजपति
ಗಮ ಪಟನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗಮ ಪಟನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಗಮ ಪಟನಿ ತಾಕತ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕು ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತರಿದೆ ತಕದಿಮಿ ತಕು ತರಿ ಕಿಟ ತಕ ತಾಕತ ಜಂ ತರಿದ ತಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತರಿದೆ ತಾಕತ ಜಂ ತಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕೃತೃಗೃತಂ ತಾಕತ ಜಂ ತಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕೃತೃಗೃತಂ ತಾಕತ ಜಂ ತಕಣಕ ಜಂ ತಜಂ ತಜಂ ಕೃತೃಗೃತಂ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸಾ ನೀ ದ ಸಾ ನಿ ದ ಪ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೇ ಮೋಹ ಮಾರಿದೆ ದಡಿ ಸಖಿಗೆ 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 ಸಾರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸನಿ ನೀ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಸಾರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸನಿ ನೀ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಸಾರಿ ಸನಿ ಧನಿ ಸನಿ ನೀ ಸನಿ ದ ಪದ ನಿ ದ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಪ ಮಗರಿ ಸ ಮ ಗ ಮ ಪದ ನಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೇ ಮೋಹ ಮಾರಿದೆ ದಡಿ ಸಖಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೇ ಮೋಹ ಮಾರಿದೆ ದಡಿ ಸಖಿಗೆ ತಾಮರೆದಳ ನಯನ ಚಂದಿರ ಗುಣವದನ மாங்குயிலே பாரடியனை மறுவுதற்கினிய நலநயனா சந்திர குணவரனா மாங்குயிலே பாரடியனை மறுவுதற்கினிய சுவாமி மே மோகமாகிதே தடி சಖಿ மாபதனி சனி நீரராபமா பாதனி பதமா பதபமா பதபமகரி சமக மாபதனி சனி நீரராபமா பாதனி பதமா பதபமா பதபமகரி சமக மாபதனி சரி சனி தப மா பதபமா தபரமா கமபமா நீரபமா சானி தபமா பதனி சுவாமி மே மோகமாகிதே தடி சಖಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಮೇ மோகமாகிதே தடி சಖி மாரணது கணை வருகிற மாயம் அருகிலே நடி சಖி மதி பதருது சಖಿயே மாரணது கணை வருகிற மாயம் அருகிலே நடி சಖி மதி பதருது சಖಿயே மாதவன் மருகனை வரச் சொல் மாலையணி மாரரசே மாயனது மால் மருகன் சுவாமி உமை குமரனெனும் சாமி மே மோகமாகிதே ನಲಿಂದಿರ ಜಾಲ ಕೇರಾದಿ ಮಂಡೀಲಮ ಮಹೇಂದಿರ ಪುರಿನಾಶುರಾದಿ ಶೂರಪದು ಮನ್ನಾನ நலிந்திர ஜால கேராதி என சொல்லி வரும் அசுரரை அதிசிறு சிறை விடுத்த மரரும் தொழுமா அம்மா பெமானெனமான் மகளை மாலரணியுமா மதிகிலகன் மாயனடிமா வடி வேலவன் என்றுமா நீனே மோகமாகிடடி சகியே
तव पदरदमै गोपालक पाहि माम् अनिशम् पदरदमै गोपालक पाहि माम् अनिशम् रदमै गोपालक पाहि माम् अनिशम् अनिशम्
Aishwarya Ravi. She had an arrangement 2 years back, and I'm seeing her now on the stage. After the arrangement, she went to do her IIM. She's working now in Accenture. Okay, Divya Padmanabhan. She finished a chemical engineering and she's working now.
I'm working in Altis India. It's a manufacturing company.
Can I have Swati? She's doing a 12th grade, 11th grade. Can I have Anjanachi? She's on the 10th grade, public exam. All the best to you. An artist who has flown globally and she's reached us. I'd like to appreciate her and congratulate her for her hard work. Congratulations, Ranvita Srikonda. And I wish all the participants congratulations. Please continue your dance.
Shubham Finance Margari also first performance ரொம்ப டைனமிக்காக இருந்தது. We are very thankful to Guru Srimati Rekha Ramachandran. So as a felicitation part, we would first like to honor Shri R. Tyagarajan. We request him to come over to the stage, and we also request Srimati Swapna to adorn the stage, and also Guru Srimati Rekha. So we are very happy to have Shri Tyagarajan here, and also Guru Swapna from USA. Shri Ramesh now to honor Guru Srimati Swapna Sridharan, renowned Guru in Pennsylvania. She has been kind enough to be guest of honor for today's evening. Srimati Swapna Sridharan, and we request Srimati Swapna to honor today's Guru Srimati Rekha Ramachandran, the shawl, and also our honor for the Guru Shubham Nitya Pravina. Guru Srimati Rekha Ramachandran in its Margari Nityotsav 2024, held on 14th December 2024 Saturday at Sri Abhinava Vidyapeetha Hall, and conferred the title Shubha Nitya Pravina. Congratulations to Srimati Rekha Ramachandran. Now we are happy to honor Kumari B. Swati and confer the title Shubha Nitya Gyan. We request Srimati to honor her. We receive the title. We confer the title Shubha Nitya Gyan. To come to the stage and receive the title Shubha Nitya Gyan. We request Kumari Anvita Sirikonda to come to the stage. stage and deserves the title, Shubham Nitya. She opened the performance with a dynamic number on Lord Ganesha. So a wonderful performance. Now it will be Kumari Aishwarya Ravi to receive the title Shubham Nitya. I request Chief Guest Sri R. Tyagarajan to speak a few words about the performance today.
Namaskaram to one and all. I am very honored to be here. Every year I used to attend all the important events in Shubham. Sri Ramesh Rao and Sri Ramana has been doing a wonderful job with other committee members. This venture is this Sabha is growing very well, and I wish it reaches many milestones, and we are all with you. Hearty congrats to Guru Rekha Ramchandran and her students. Srimati Swapna Sridharan will tell more detail. Guru Swapna Sridharan will tell that Ambita Srikota, she started the fast-paced Ganapati song. And also finished with a very beautiful Solitanal Gopalaka Bhagima. It has very fast-paced Sahityam and also ends with some jati, and it is very suitable for Bharatanatyam. And also some swarams are added, so it gives more color to the composition, and it was very wonderful. And we see the Anjaneya Kautvam in Tamil. It is a very rare one and very beautiful, and in Ragamalika. And Nandita Jatiswaram in Kamas. Usually Jatiswaram doesn't have Sahityam. Very few Jatiswaram have Sahityam, and when the Swarams are sung, the first line, the Swaram is sung, and when the Sahityam is sung, the first line's Sahityam is sung. It is a very beautiful arrangement, and it's also a rare item. And Divya Padmanabhan danced Kalyana Rama. Uthukadu Venkata Subbaraya's very masterpiece, and it is in Sanskrit and very beautiful lyrics. And the place Raghava Rama, where Rama breaks the bow and marries Sita. It was very well depicted. Aishwarya Ravi, she did Adikonda in Mayamala Gaula Raga. It's a beautiful Tamil Padam by Muthu Tandar. And then Shakti Kuttu, she in Shiva Shakti. Anjana. It is a Bharatiya song, but it is tuned by Nithisri's mother, and it is a very beautiful Ragam Shiva Shakti. The Ragam has been introduced by none other than G. N. Balasubramaniam. It was a new Ragam is yes, in the last century, and it has become very popular. And I wish all the students very best. And the title Subhanitya is a very beautiful name in Sanskrit. It is to encourage the dancers to get more honor and more fame, and it is a stepping stone for their bright future in Bharatanatyam. I request Guru Swapna Sridharan to say a few words and bless the artist.
Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I would like to thank Mayavardhan Mama and Shubham Fine Arts for having me today. It is actually, I feel privileged and honored to be here as the guest of honor for today's event. I thoroughly enjoyed every item. I think he went in detail with all the items. I don't want to take more time, but everybody, you did really good. The expressions were really good. The items were very unique. The Anjaliya song, it was very unique. It did really well. Everybody did well. It's not just her. Not just like, such a unique item. So all credit goes to the Guru. I know how much we Gurus, we go through a lot in the process, but hats off to the Guru and all the students here who did an amazing job. This is all a part of your journey. You have lots to go, and keep dancing, never stop learning, okay? Learning has to be there, no matter how old you are, you always remain a student when it comes to the art form. There isn't any end to it, so never stop learning, never stop dancing, just keep going, okay? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Tyagarajan, and thank you, Srimati Swapna, for your beautiful words of encouragement to the students who performed. Thank you once again, Guru Srimati Rekha, and wonderful students who gave us a lovely performance today. Thank you, one and all.